Look at that cool sky. Maybe we'll see some lightning here. Hold on. It's the Duramax Diesel in the foreground. That's a cool looking cloud. Check it out. Where's the lightning? You turn on the camera and there's no lightning. Look at that. Is it funneling? Is it starting to circle? Look at that. That bad boy is swirling. Oh, almost died there. Oh, I missed the lightning. Oh, I missed it. Son of a gun. You get hit by lightning, you people. Wow, oh! You see that? Nice. Bring it on, baby. Oh! You get attacked by ticks. That's funky looking. Maybe it's even better in the camera. Look at that. It's more menacing.
It's pretty menacing, like live here.
Yeah, it's probably not the smartest idea. Oh! I just want one big lightning strike. Is that a bat?
It's a bat.
Oh, behind us too. We're surrounded. Yeah. Look at that. You can see the edge of it up there. Oh, that was good lightning. Yes. That's pretty sweet looking. Especially with the Duramax in the foreground, huh? Nice. Let's get down low. Is it good to be standing by this metal baler, or is that worse?
It's probably not the smartest thing we've ever done.
All right, maybe that's it. Oh! That's cool. All right, probably turn this off. All right, unless you want to see me get hit by lightning, I'm going to turn this camera off. But that's a pretty cool cloud. One more lightning blast here. Look at that storm. That's cool. All right, we just got to get out of here. That's pretty cool looking. We're gonna die. All right, that's enough of that. We should get out of here. You ready?
Yeah.
Or wait, more lightning blast. That's it. All right, that's it. All right, signing off.